have all right, so let's get to the task. All right, so did the design look good? If so, we can move on to implementation plan. I said yes, the design looked good. So this was the design. Oh, actually, let's look at the design. All right, so design document. The AI powered economic dictionary will extend the existing economic glossary application to provide personalized AI generated explanations of economic terms and indicators. The system will leverage user demographics and literacy levels to tailor content while integrating real-time economic data source to provide current actionable insights. The design builds upon existing Express.js. So we read that part already. Architecture. So this architecture right here. So this is on Markdown. We should be able to see the Markdown. Can I see it? Open preview to the side. Ah, look at that. So, and I have a mermaid subscription too, right? So this is, can I open this somehow? Let me see. Let me see. Let's look at it like this, right? So, architecture. So we have the front end, which go and the notification service. They both go into Express.js, the API layer. We have the bookmark service that's calling into Express. It goes to MongoDB user bookmarks. And then we have the user profile service, the explanation service, the economic data service, the dictionary service, and then they all go to their respective areas. Technology stack back end is Node with Express, database MongoDB with Mongoose, AI integration, OpenAI API or similar for personalized explanations, economic data integration with Fred API, Alpha Vantage or similar. I think Fred API might be free. I don't know yet. Front end enhanced HTML, CSS, JavaScript building for on existing public folder. And authentication, session-based user identification for personalization. So I'm curious how it's going to be able to handle this part for us. I'm not too worried about this part. Hopefully it doesn't look abysmal. It is what it is. Let's see, components and interfaces, user profile service, manage user demographics and literacy. So it's going to be the class for it, profile. Ooh, what was that? Class profile service, async, create profile, yada, data model that we have here. Okay, so the data model is going to be the user ID, the age range of the user, the occupation, educational level, the location, literacy level, beginner, intermediate, advanced, interest, learning progress, preferences. Cool. AI services, we got that. I'm not gonna read through all of this. AI prompt strategy, based prompt for different literacy levels, demographic specifics. All right. Economic data service. This is for the real-time economic indicators. Enhanced dictionary, bookmark service, notification service, data models. The existing ones, new fields for AI enhancements, bookmark service, all that. All right. So then we move on to, let me close that down. We move on to the tasks at this point, right? We have, I've created, so I said, yes, that was good. And I'll create the implementation plan. I created a comprehensive implementation plan with 15 main tasks that will transform your existing economic dictionary into an AI powered personalized learning platform. The implementation strategy builds incrementally. Each task builds on the previous work, starting with data models and ending with full integration. Extends existing code, leverages your current Express.js and MongoDB architecture rather than rebuilding. Test driven, each task includes testing requirements to ensure reliability. Did somebody say testing? Testing on aisle 4, testing on aisle 4. User focus prioritizes core user features like personalization and weekly indicators early. Oh, see, I like that. So it kind of delivers an MVP right away. So that is always very, very helpful as well. Let's see. Because foundation, so task progression, foundation, data models, user profiles, AI servers, economic data, core features, so task 5 to 8, enhanced dictionary, bookmarks, indicator, notification. User experience is task 9 and 10, front end updates, related terms, learning paths, reliability. error handling, testing, and performance, and then advanced features on task 13 and 14, session management and analytics, integration, final testing, and optimization. Each task is scoped to be manageable for a code agent and includes specific requirements, references to ensure all users' needs are met. So one thing about this as well, if you look at how it writes the task, which we're going to do next, it might help you in prompting these different code agents and how they expect the task to be written so that they can properly be able to execute them as well. So the task looks good. It says, yes, I said yes. Your AI-powered economic dictionary spec is now complete with your comprehensive requirements, design, and implementation plan. So let's look at the task, right? So let's see. The first task, what's this over here? Go away. What's that? It's annoying. Can I make it bigger? Nope. Okay. What? Oh, what? Ah, crap. What did I just do? Cancel. I can't see what I'm doing. That's why. Hold on. Why are you like that? Can I make it bigger? That is annoying. Okay, there we go. So, the first thing is the first implementation plan, set up enhanced data models and database schemas. Extends existing dictionary schema with AI-related fields and current value tracking. Create user profile schema for demographics and literacy level. Create user bookmark schema for saved terms and learning progress. Create economic indicator schema for real-time indicator data, and create notification schema for user alerts and updates. Add database indexes for efficiency, querying, and personalized content. All right, so these are all the tasks that it has. And the cool thing is about Kiro is that you can just click on this button right here and it's going to start the actual task. What? Goodbye Twitch. All right, sorry to see that. Continue without Twitch. All right, cool. We are still here. All right, cool. Just making sure. Let me see. So all you have to do is really click on this start task and it's going to start building. Before I click on this retry, right? Because it started doing the task. I want to go and look at our files and I want to go and look at our model. This is what it's going to be updating. The main is going to be updated as well. It's creating a new service here as well for the new APIs, for the integrations. So I'm going to go back to tasks and I'm just going to say, let's retry this implementation. While it's doing that, with the creepy little eyes that are moving, the beady little eyes that are moving, so this is what DB Darrow was talking about, right? If we go over to here, spec 1 used, vibe 0 used, and we are on the free plan, resets on 10.1. After 10.1, that's when they actually start charging for the use of this. Let's go with, so task in progress, it's doing its thing. Set up enhanced data models and task from markdown code. Read the model.js. Now I extend the existing dictionary schema and create the new schemas as specified in the design document. I'll update the model.js file with the enhanced data model. 2 edits to that. So those were accepted. Now I'll add the new schema for profile, user bookmark, economic indicator, and notification. I add them before the existing index and model export sections. And it's just working at this point. It is just working at this point. Rod Brown, as the new head director of the AI division at your organization, would you see your employees using Amazon Kiro, Cursor, Windsurf, Copilot? Would you see them using that to help them code, right? Okay, so it says, now let me test that model can run. Perfect. Now let me test that the models can be loaded without syntax errors by running a quick validation. let's say trust. So now it's actually executing some code, which I've never seen this command before, to be honest with you. So that's pretty cool. Command node, that's pretty interesting. All right. So excellent. The model's correctly loaded. Now let me update the task status to complete. Since I have successfully implemented all the required subtasks, extend existing dictionary schema with AI related fields and current value tracking, create user profile schema for demographics and literacy level, created user bookmark schema for a save term and learning progress, created economic indicator schema for real-time indicator data, created notification schema for, so that, and said that this is done. If we look at here, look at that. I like this. I like this a lot. Task completed. Yes, task completed. So now it says all of these are done. If we go and we look at this model right here, so this is the one that we did. So let me see. I think we did this one. I think it added to this. Do we have the? See, we have this option here. I was trying to see the difference between. Might be this one. That would be. I don't see. I don't see the difference between the two. So, all right. But basically that is done. Task one is not complete. I've successfully built. Enhance the existing dictionary schema with AI related fields. So let's say AI prompt template. Let's see what that is for AI explanation generation. So this is new over here. AI prompt template, related terms, current value, historical context, personalization explanations for cached AI generated content, tags, popularity, and last updated for better content management. Created 4 new schemas. Added comprehensive database index for query efficiency, efficient querying. All schemas align with the requirements 1.1, 3.1, 4.1, and 6.1 and follow the design specifications. The models are ready to support personalized AI-powered economic dictionary function. Cool. So it did all of that. Really, really cool stuff. Let's do another one. So let's go with the second task. Implement user profile server. Is there anything we could do? Let me see. Can I run it? I don't know if I can run it. I would need to spin up a Mongo instance and plug it up. I'll have to see if I still have my Mongo, for that. Implement user profile service with literacy assessment. Create user profile with class with CRUD operations for user profiles. Implement literacy level assessment logic based on user responses. Add demographic data validation and sanitization. Create API endpoints for profile management, API profile. Write unit tests for profile service functionality. I love seeing the fact that it has the thought to write the unit test right there at that moment, right? And it's not like, oh well, let's do all the development and then later on we'll think about writing unit tests, right? So, let me see. It's just the best way to do this. Let me take a look at the package.json. Something's missing in here. Is it just no? Let me see. If we do node, let me see something. If we do node main.js, so that does not start up because we don't have the. All right, we don't have the. All right, so let me see if I can get a. Let me see if I still have the. let's take a look at Docker. See if I have the old database up and running for this. I'm gonna clear that out. Bring this over here. Docker ps-a, and we have Postgres. I don't see a database for Urban Dictionary. We'd have to create one. All right, fair enough. Let's go ahead and do this task, and then we can circle back, create the database, and then we can see if we can get the app started up. All right. So let's go ahead and do the second task. Start task. All right. So it is implementing the user profile literacy assessment. So by updating the task and then examine current code base. Let me examine the current code base structure to understand the existing models. Let me take a look at how the credits are using so far. So far we've only used 2 of our 100 credits, which is good. The user profile schema is already defined in model.js, which is perfect. Now I need to create a user profile service class and implement the API endpoints. Let me create the service first. Let's see. Now I need to add the API endpoints to the main.js file. Let me add the profile management endpoints. Now I need to create comprehensive unit tests for the user profile service. Check out the test directory if I need to create a new one. I need to create a test directory and install dependencies. Let me check the current package to see what testing frameworks are used. It's going to use Jest. I'm going to say trust. npm install, npm like that. Adding a comment to trust the list will allow me to auto run this command in the future without asking for your approval. Manage the command. Which variation would you like to add? I don't know. Let's do this one, I guess. Let's see. So it's doing this thing now. It's installing some packages. So now it's going to add our test. Let me update the package.json to add to the test scripts. Setup file for the tests. So, and as you can see here, our test folder is showing up. Very, very comprehensive. I wish I could actually like see it do something already, but I think I'm gonna try that next. Let's see. So we're at 3 now. So maybe theirs is request based as well, and as it continues to work, it does more. I haven't seen. Well, there is that repo that I haven't tried out yet. Maybe we'll try it maybe in a week or two. But I want to see if we can start this, and then if we are, I'm gonna try to pivot to another project to see if we can get some tests done for that project. Let's see what we got going on here. So it's writing the unit test. Now the question is, are the tests going to pass? Because I've been able to have these applications write unit tests, but they were not able to pass for whatever various reason. I want to know if it's able to work around that, especially with JavaScript.
Lunch break. Lunch break.
So as you can see, it's creating a bunch of tests, integration tests, asking me, do I want to trust? Let me say yes, let's trust it. Do this one again, maybe. If it asks me again, I'm just gonna do the whole thing. Let's see if they're gonna pass. Oh, we got 2 tests. We have 2 tests passing. And we have the 3rd one failed. Maybe it might try to fix itself. We shall see. I don't know why it failed for. 6 failed now. 6 failed. 9. So 9 failed, 5 passed, which is pretty good. That's pretty good, right?
It was all good, just a prompt to go. Lines of light made my circus glow. Now I'm drowning in a sea of code. A bug, a glitch, and the system slowed. I reached too far. Try to debug fate, but the tokens fail, and it's too late. I'm down, down and out of tokens. The lines are cracked, the code is broken. Helpless now, the screen's unspoken. It was all good, just a prompt to go. Syntax screams like a ghost in the shell. Loops on fire, dragging me through hell. Error whispers where my dreams once dwelled. Each click feels like a shattered spell.